Isikhathi samaholide okuphela konyaka sivamise ukuba ngesiphithizelayo ezinxanxatheleni zezitolo. Kanti ukwanda kwezigameko zakamuva zokubamba inkunzi ezinxanxatheleni zezitolo eNtshonalanga Kapa naseGauteng sekulethe ukukhathazeka kwabezitolo ezinkulu ababona sengathi kuzothikameza ibhizinisi.
The large stores, for example, take 1 million customers per month walking through the shopping centre. So any incidence of armed robberies in those environments is a recipe for disaster if things go wrong. We don't want shoppers to be feeling insecure because it affects the national economy at the end of the day.
Namhlanje Umnyango wamaPhoyisa ubuvele ephalamende uzochaza ukuthi uhlela ukubhekana kanjani nalenkinga. Nokho-ke izethulo zawo ziveze ukuthi iningi lezinhlelo zamaphoyisa azikaphothulwa nokushiya amanye amalungu ephalamende evuthe ngabaselwe.
This report says that the police actually did nothing. Like we say in Afrikaans, laat Gods water oor Gods akker loop. This is actually what is happening here. And we cannot tolerate that. What is the practical situation on this moment?
I'm afraid I did find the SAP's presentation rather vague and waffly. It's just nowhere near adequate enough. So, I mean, and we heard earlier on at the very beginning that tackling this and shattering this whole system comes down to intelligence-led, specialized units.
Kodwa amaphoyisa athi cha akubeka umoya phansi zikhona izinhlelo.
We've got a festive season operational plan running. It has been launched. We are taking the criminal head on now in terms of the festive season plan. And we do have people in custody that we continuously detain.
Amaphoyisa athi ngeke akwazi ukudalula izinhlelo zawo esidlangalaleni ngoba zingagcina sezaziwa nayizigilamkhuba.